What if a single lightning strike hit the Empire State Building with the energy of every lightning bolt that hits Earth in 1 year? That's 1.4 billion joules of energy hitting the building's lightning rod simultaneously. The steel frame would instantly reach 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire structure would liquefy within seconds. Molten steel would rain down on Manhattan like deadly lava. Everything within a 10-block radius would ignite immediately. Underground gas lines would rupture from the intense heat. Subway tunnels would flood with rivers of molten metal. The resulting shock wave would shatter windows for 50 miles in every direction. One lightning strike would turn America's most famous skyscraper into a weapon of mass destruction. Manhattan would burn for weeks.